One night, there was a power outage in a small town. Everything became dark. In one small house, a little candle was lit. The candle looked around and saw the big, dark room. It felt very small and weak. The candle said, "The darkness is too big. I cannot remove it." But the man in the house said, "Just keep shining." The candle continued burning. Slowly, its light filled the room. The darkness moved away from the light. Soon, other people in the neighborhood also lit candles. Now the whole street was full of light. The little candle realized something important. Even a small light can remove a lot of darkness. Just like that candle, one small good action can change many lives. Moral: even small efforts can make a big difference. Subscribe for more interesting stories.